On a previous video, we looked at how you can actually embed a Google Doc, sheet, or slide into any rich content editor inside of Canvas, be it a page, a post, an announcement, or even an assignment. On this video, though, we want to look at how you can actually take a Google Doc and use it as a submission type, as an external tool submission type, so that when the assignment is saved, it creates a copy for each individual student, and they can edit the document themselves and then resubmit it to you for grading. Hi, I'm Evan, and welcome to the Canvas Tutorial Show. Let's get started. So the first thing that I've done is I've just created a basic assignment, and I threw some instructions in there just because I want you to see what the window is going to look like once we actually submit it. But what we want to do is we want to scroll down here to right here where it says submission types. And remember that submission types, that there's 4 different kinds. There's no submission, online, on paper, and then external tool. For this, we're going to hit external tool. Next, we're going to look over here where it says find and click that. When you get here, you're going to notice that there are 2 different Google options. One says Google Drive Cloud Assignment, and the other one says Google Assignments. For this tutorial, we're going to actually click Google Drive Cloud Assignment, because the other one, that adds extra functionality that we don't necessarily need all the time. For example, you can grade it inside of the Google Assignment app, or basically Google Classroom, as well as some other things. But for here, we just want to focus on the Google Drive Cloud Assignment. So let's go ahead and click there. And what this is going to do is it's going to open up your drive, and it's going to allow you to look for your file. So I'm just going to look for lab report template. And notice that I've made a big mistake here, is that I have named the same, given the same name to a bunch of different documents. Don't do that. Make sure you use unique names with each one of your documents so it's easy to find. But I do know it's this first one, so I'm just going to click there, and then we're going to click submit. Now we're going to hit select, and you're going to notice that nothing happened. You don't see the doc or anything else like that because you have to hit save first. So go ahead and hit save. Now, when you hit save, what is happening, and well, once you publish it, is that the Google Assignment and Canvas are communicating, and Google goes ahead and creates a copy for each individual student, so that when they come into theirs, they're going to see this lab report, but they're not going to see something that somebody else has already typed on it or anything else like that. You notice that it gives you a little message here. You've created a Cloud Assignment external tool submission type from your Google account. Students will receive a copy of this document that they can modify their assignment submissions. On theirs, it's also going to have a blue button here that says submit. Now, I can't show it to you because when I go into the student view, and it'll happen to you as well, you have to authorize an account, and it won't let you do it, so that we don't actually have we can't actually show that view. But trust me, there will be a button right here that says submit, and that's going to control the permissions so that before they hit submit, the document belongs to them. Once they hit submit, the document belongs to you, so on and so forth, so that you all the handing it back and forth is taken care of. But they'll be able to come in here, and they can type directly into the document, hello world, nope, hello work, hello world, and then they hit submit. Or if they want to have a bigger window with the full document, they can just click that link right there, and it's going to take them out to the full document. And you notice there's that edit that I just made, hello world. Okay, pretty quick, pretty easy how to do it. And again, it's going to handle the pass back between you and the student, and it's going to create the same one as well. If they come back and they make some changes later and then hit submit, it's going to, in the speed grader, give you different versions, and so you can click and see the different versions. But remember, this is tied to one single assignment. So if you want to use, say, this Google Doc for one document but multiple grades, for example, a journal, I use it for a science journal. I did a video on how you can do that by basically creating multiple assignments, but always using the same document. Go watch that video if you would like to know how to do that. So today we looked at how we can use the external tool Google Cloud Assignment to create a copy for each student so that they can edit it directly in Canvas or in the Google interface. And so I hope this content has been helpful. Make sure you hit that follow button, and just if you are accessing this from somewhere else, just go on to Facebook, type @CanvasTuts. You can also join the Canvas Canvas tutorial community and share your resources, get resource and help from other people. And as always, if this has been a helpful tutorial for you, make sure you hit that share button, share it with people that you think would be helped by it. Have a fantastic day.